Hey, hi everyone. So today we're going to talk about the Singleton Design Pattern. So Singleton Design Pattern is nothing but, let's say, if any class is going to call multiple time. Let's say there were 10 different classes, and every class utility method is going to call the Singleton target object method, but it should still return the same object. So um, that is the core idea about the singleton class. So let's say main class or any multiple classes will ask about the get object. So it should always return the same object. Let's see about the code side. You see, I have just created a singleton class. Okay, the main functionality is we have to create one instance variable, and then we have to make the constructor private, so nobody will create object of the particular class. And there is get instance method will be there. So how many number of time I'm going to make a call to the singleton get instance, it will always return. It will check like if it is null, then it will instantiate. It's a lazy initialization, I can say. Otherwise, it will return the same instance. So let's take a look around that. Singleton, singleton run. We can say singleton dot get instance. Okay, and let's say if we create one more object, singleton two, I can say singleton dot get instance, right? So if singleton one equal to singleton one, right? It should print. Otherwise, you can use the latest Java feature. io dot println. Okay, both objects are same, right? We can print both objects are different. We can run this. Here it is saying both objects are same. Okay, there will be multiple ways how we can initialize. Let's say we can initialize over here itself, singleton, right? And then we don't have to do these many things. We can directly do with that way also. Both objects are same, right? And there is some scenario where in multi-threading cases, um, multi-threading cases of the where we have to synchronize. So let's say when we are initializing our class object, in that case we have to synchronize that particular method, and then we can initiate the instance method. So basically what we are doing is we are using synchronized block, and when we are checking we can also, when we are initializing this, we can do synchronize. Okay, I think that is obviously both objects are same. So there was multiple, like here we are using synchronize, but we can even use the reintent block. Okay, either we can use the enum class also, that will also do the same thing. Let's check enum, enum singleton enum. Okay, and we can say instance. Um, we can ask about the mm, data. We can, otherwise we can take it from here itself. Okay, constructor method 5. So this will always be the, it is always written the same thing. Yeah, to create the constructor also. So what we can do is unidentified Singleton enum. We can take the data. Okay, fine. So that way actually we can initialize. Now let me see. I can do Singleton enum. Okay. Hmm. So in that case also we can see both of it as well. So see when I'm telling about the enum, so basically what will happening is currently we are passing the 5 only, which was in top data, but here we can instead of the data we can configure something like connect, connection pool in the databases, right? So it always return the same thing. Let's say if we want to print also, we can see. Let's see like how we can print the IO print. Again, it's a singleton data. It will return the same object type. So with that way, let's say if we have configured the connection data pool or something, so we can extract it and it will always return the same object from here. So that is the way how we can achieve the singleton design pattern.